everyone, Yaku from tutortouch here, and in this video I'll be going over the updated Airclass program, just showcasing some of the new features and the new ways to connect. Alright, so to find that you go to the quick menu bar, and then in the tools section at the bottom you look for the little Airclass icon, press on that and that will bring up your join interface. Now standard or normally you can simply just take out your mobile device, go to the camera, because all the smartphones now has a QR scanner implemented into the camera feature. Just press on the icon there and then scan the QR code and join the classroom. If you already have the application, it's as simple as just inputting the code onto your mobile phone and then joining that way. Now, once all your students have joined, you can see over there it will say that X amount of people has joined the classroom. I have nobody that will be joining me today, so I'm just going to simply press enter and start my Airclass. Now, as you can see, the interface did change slightly. I just want to showcase that you can still access all of your other programs with the Airclass feature open, so you can have a pop quiz on the Note program, for instance, and still use it in conjunction with the Airclass feature. Now, the first one over here is your voter, which is a single or multiple choice pop quiz. You can either choose which one you want to have active and say begin. From here, your students can answer from their phone, and as soon as someone has answered, your user count will go up. Once everybody has answered in the classroom, it's as simple as pressing the finish button, and then as you can see, your answer statistics will pop up and they will be populated with the answers of your students. Now then you can choose the correct answer, and that will visually showcase how many students in your class had it correct and how many had it incorrect. Alright, moving on to the next one. The next two features are similar, however the one is a selection and the other one is like a responder game. So the responder is the first to respond, so as soon as you press the start button, a drum will play, and the first person to press OK on their phone, their name will pop up, and then they can come and answer the question or help with the lesson. So once you press start, and then as soon as someone presses OK on their phone, that drum will go away. Selector is similar in the sense that it also will choose someone to come and help you. However, it's a selection of names. So let's say you have 15 students in your classroom, you can insert all 15 of them into the selection, and the board will randomly draw one of the names and then they can come and help. Messaging is nifty for when a student has a problem. If maybe they are a little bit shy and they don't want to raise your hand, or perhaps you are teaching or busy on the panel and you can't see the classroom, as soon as they send a message to the panel, it will scroll on top of the screen, grabbing your attention, and you can quickly assist that way. Manager is just a way to add additional or remove anybody from the classroom, and then exit will close down the program once you're done, and that's as simple as that. All right. That was just a brief overview on the new Airclass updated features. Thank you so much for watching. Please follow, like, and share. My name is Yaku from tutortouch.